morning all, how are you? I hope you all are good. Okay students, in our last class we discussed about synthetic fiber and natural fiber. What is synthetic fiber? Yes, the fiber which is obtained from chemical substances like petroleum, that is synthetic fiber. Then natural fiber. What is meant by natural fiber? Yes, the fiber which is obtained from plants and animals, that is natural fiber. Okay students, today I am going to discuss about types of synthetic fibers. Okay students, the first one, that is rayon. Okay students, this rayon is like artificial silk. Okay, this rayon is like artificial silk. Okay, and rayon is prepared from wood pulp. Okay, this wood pulp is chemically treated to prepare rayon. Okay, we get rayon from wood pulp. This wood pulp is chemically treated to prepare rayon. Okay, therefore rayon is neither fully synthetic fiber nor a fully natural fiber. Okay, all of you clear? Okay students, this rayon can also be dyed in a variety of colors. Okay, this rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheet. Okay, this rayon is mixed with cotton to make bed sheets, and rayon is mixed with wool to make carpets. Okay, all of you clear? What is rayon? Students, the next one, that is nylon. Nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber made by man without using raw materials. Okay, nylon is the first fully synthetic fiber. Okay students, this nylon is prepared from coal, water and air. Okay, this nylon is prepared from coal, water and air. Okay students, this nylon absorbs very little water. So, clothes made of nylon can easily dry. Okay, and this nylon is very strong, elastic and lightweight and also luxurious. What is meant by luxurious? Yes, shiny in appearance. Okay, and they are very durable and long lasting. What is meant by durable? Durable means able to exist for a long time, and long lasting means continuing for a long period of time. Okay, that is durable and long lasting. Okay, they are very durable and long lasting. Okay students, nylon threads are stronger than steel wire of the same thickness. Okay students, this nylon is used to make shocks, ropes, curtains, parachutes and tents. Okay, all of you clear about nylon? Okay students, the next one, that is polyester. Polyester is also synthetic fiber. Okay, it is very easy to wash and does not get wrinkles. Okay students, polyester are made from two words, that is poly and ester. Poly means many, ester means it is a chemical which gives fruits their smell. Okay, poly means many, esters means it is a chemical which gives fruits their smell. Okay, example for polyester, that is PET. PET is abbreviation of polyethylene terephthalate. Okay, PET means polyethylene terephthalate. Okay, it is used to make plastic bottles. Okay, the next example, that is terracotta. It is used to make clothes. Okay students, all of you clear about polyester? Okay students, the next one, that is acrylic. Acrylic is also synthetic fiber which resembles wool. So it is like artificial wool. Okay students, the wool is obtained from natural sources, is quite expensive, but clothes are made from acrylic is relatively cheap. Okay students, acrylic can be dyed very well. It resists wrinkles. Okay, acrylic can be dyed very very well. It resists wrinkles. Okay, it is used to make shocks and sweaters. Okay, students, all of you clear about acrylic? Okay, students, there are 4 type of synthetic fibers, that is rayon, polyesters, acrylic and nylon. Okay, students, all of you clear? Yes. Okay, students, the next properties of synthetic fiber. Okay, the first one, yes, they dry up easily. Is it? Synthetic fibers are dry up easily. Okay, and they are less expensive compared to natural fibers. Okay, they are very less expensive compared to natural fibers, and they are durable. Durable means able to exist for a long time. Okay, they are, synthetic fibers are durable. Okay, the next, they are readily available. Okay, they are readily available. That means they are not in shortage. Okay, they are readily available. The next, yes, they are stronger than natural fibers. Okay, the next, they do not get wrinkled easily. Okay, these are the properties of synthetic fibers. Okay. Okay, students, the next, that is disadvantages of using synthetic fiber. First one, these fabrics melt on heating. Is it? If these fabrics catch fire, what happen? Yes, fabrics melt and stick to body of person wearing it. So they should not be used in kitchen and laboratory. That's the second one. These fabrics do not allow air to pass. Okay, this is because fabrics do not have enough pores to allow sweat to pass through. So people feels hot and uncomfortable. Okay, during summer while we wearing it. Okay. Okay, students, all of you clear? Okay, we will see in our next class. Thank you.